Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how does Airbnb work. If you've ever wanted to book a place to stay or even earn money by renting out your own space, Airbnb is one of the most popular platforms to do it. But if you're new, it can feel a bit confusing. How do you sign up, book a place, and even become a host? To begin, open your browser or download the Airbnb app on your phone. Once you open the platform, click on the Accounts section found on the lower right corner. Now you'll be asked to create an account. You can use your email, Google account, Facebook account, as well as your Apple account. Now that your account is set up, you can start booking a place. On the homepage of Airbnb, you'll see a search bar. Enter your destination at first. Then next, enter the check-in and check-out dates, and then the number of guests occupying. Click Search, and Airbnb will display available listings. You can filter results based on price, property type, amenities, and location. Click on any listing to view more details. Once you're ready, click Reserve. Then, Next Review, and continue to your payment details and confirm your reservation. Once booked, you'll receive confirmation and details about your stay. If you want to earn money, you can also list your own property on Airbnb. To start, go to your account and click on Become a Host. Airbnb will guide you through the setup process. You'll be asked what you would like to host: a home, an experience, or a service. Select any of your liking and enter the details as Airbnb will guide you through it. To summarize, Airbnb works by allowing users to sign up, search for and book accommodations, and even list their own property as a host. As a guest, you search, choose, and book a place to stay. As a host, you list your property, set your price, and welcome guests. The platform connects both sides, making travel and hosting simple and accessible. And that's how Airbnb works. Whether you're booking a stay or becoming a host, the platform makes it easy to connect travelers with unique places around the world. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.